The celebratory departure for Registrar General Department's CEO Charlton McFarlane on Thursday has some integrity watchdog agencies questioning the public's corruption perception of public officials compared to politicians. Jamaica Maitland explains.
A send-off fit for an excellent leader. Or was he? This is how employees of the Registrar General's Department said their goodbyes to CEO Charlton McFarlane on Thursday.
We thank you for the buster. Thank you for the overtime.
Mr. McFarlane was contracted to run the RGD. His contract ended on May 2. It was not renewed. His failure to submit his statutory declarations was reportedly the reason why. Principal Director of the National Integrity Action, Daniel Archer, weighs in.
Being a good leader does not necessarily mean that you do not have to comply with the laws.
The statutory declaration is a detailed financial document to be submitted every year by public officials and parliamentarians earning $3.5 million or more. For Mr. McFarlane, the Integrity Commission report revealed that not only did he not submit his documents in time, he was notified to file within 30 days or risk a $20,000 fine monthly. That was in February 2023. Up to June 2023, the Commission revealed that the documents were still not filed.
So when we have public servants who flaunt the rules, who refuse to file their statutory declarations, or who fail to file their statutory declarations, it enables the public's perception that these public servants have something to hide.
Charlton McFarlane was charged by the Commission. He pleaded guilty to 5 counts of failing to submit the documents, as well as failure to comply with a notice issued under Section 41(6) of the Integrity Commission Act. He can be fined up to $500,000 or up to 6 months in prison. Mr. McFarlane is to return to court on May 13. But videos of his celebratory departure has angered some Jamaicans, others not so much. We asked Ms. Archer about the perceived corruption of public officials compared to politicians.
When it comes to the perception of corruption amongst public servants themselves, the perception is not as high as it would be for politicians. Bearing in mind that I do believe that much more work has to be done to get the public to understand what is corruption, what it entails.
Politician Dwayne Vaz was also charged by the Integrity Commission for failure to file his documents. Notably, Prime Minister Andrew Holness's statutory declarations for 2021 and 2022 have also not been certified. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.